Hey, David here, Swag Off-Road, coming to you with a quick look of our newest product. This is our Chamfer Table. We're really excited to introduce it to you. Let me show you some of its features. This table is really based around one of these little guys. This is a pneumatic chamfering tool, super readily available. Most of you guys have probably seen them online already. About 50, 60 bucks on Amazon and eBay. This just mounts onto the underside of the table, giving you a nice stable surface so you can break the edge or chamfer all your parts. This is really a product of necessity for us here at Swag. We have a lot of complex parts, pretty hard to put a consistent chamfer on them by hand. We actually discovered it's easier to clamp the tool rather than the part. That way you have two hands to really drag that part and give a nice consistent finish. These carbide bits are actually adjustable, so if you want, you can just break the edge on your part, or you can get a nice deep chamfer. It's kind of dependent on what you're working on. All right, let's take this thing over to the shop so I can show you guys what this thing can do. I'm gonna show the chamfer tool in action using a few pieces of steel I found laying around the shop, but this tool will also work great with aluminum and other materials. As you can see in this first clip, using the table is really easy and just a matter of moving your part around the carbide cutters. As I mentioned earlier, the depth of the cutters is fully adjustable, but you do have to change how quickly you move your part based on the amount of material you're trying to remove. That being said, even deep cuts are quick with this pneumatic tool. Here I'm doing what I would call a medium chamfer, which always seems to give excellent results. The table gives you so much more control than clamping the part and moving the tool by hand. As you can see, the end result is a smooth, consistent edge. Next up, we have this oddly shaped bracket. I've adjusted the tool so that it is making a shallower cut. This allows you to move much quicker without stalling the carbide. As I mentioned earlier, we use this to finish some of our products, and this is typically how we have this tool set up. The speed of the cutter is fully adjustable, but we always run it wide open as that seems to produce the best results. Since the cutter is so small on this tool, you can actually use it to deburr holes. This is one of my personal favorite features since I can clean up all the edges on my workpiece without changing the tool I'm using. We ended up adding a ball valve to our pneumatic chamfering tool, so turning it on and off was easier. Links for the pneumatic tool as well as the appropriate ball valve are listed on our website. The table is made out of 3/16 inch plate, so it can handle pretty large parts without sagging. This has become an integral tool in our shop, and I'm sure you'll find it just as useful. Just like all our other tools, the chamfer table is made right here in America. We really do believe in keeping American manufacturing alive. We haven't finalized the price point yet, but we do expect this to come in under $100 shipped to your doorstep. This is our final prototype. We're hoping to have these on our website by the end of the month. If you have any questions or you'd like more details on the chamfer table, sign up to our newsletter at swagoffroad.com or follow us on Instagram. Thanks for watching.